Maraming salamat for that. Ayan. Dahil super love namin kayo, ayan, bibigyan namin kayo ng throwback. Sana kasabayan niyo kami.
Yes, you belong to me. I'm yours exclusively. Right now we live and breathe each other. Inseparable it seems. We're flowing like a stream, running free, traveling on the wings of love.
Sana po kung gano'n niyo po minahal sina Clark at Lea ng Otwal, maging ganun din po ang pagmamahal niyo kay Basti at Iris ng Tilay Matthew. At maraming salamat po dahil sa first 3 weeks ng Tilay Matthew, ayan, napakainit po ng suporta at pagmamahal na binigay niyo.